In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. This is a super useful trick if you want quick access to websites like YouTube, Gmail, or Facebook right from your desktop without having to open Chrome and type the address every single time. It's fast, simple, and perfect for anyone who wants to save a little time every day. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to create a shortcut for. You can use any website you like, but in this example, let's say it's YouTube, Gmail, or Facebook. Just make sure the website is fully loaded before moving to the next step because Chrome needs the page open in order to create the shortcut. Now look at the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three dots menu. Click on that menu to open Chrome settings options. From there, hover over the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. When you move your mouse over it, a new menu will appear. In that menu, click Create Shortcut. This is the option that tells Chrome you want to make a desktop shortcut for the current website. After you click it, a shortcut pop-up window will appear. Here, you can type a name for the shortcut if you want to change it. For example, you can keep it as YouTube, Gmail, or Facebook, or rename it to anything that makes sense for you. Once you're happy with the name, click Create. Chrome will now generate the shortcut and place it on your desktop. From here on, you can double-click that shortcut anytime to open the website instantly. No need to search for it, no need to type the URL, and no need to go through extra steps. It's a simple way to make your favorite websites more accessible. And that's how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.